Recently, there has been a debate about whether the Volkswagen Group and other German car manufacturers are catching up to Tesla in the electric vehicle market. Some claim that Tesla's advantage is fading, while others firmly believe that Tesla is still extending its lead. Fortune reported that Germany's automakers had ambitious plans to challenge Tesla's dominance by shifting towards electric cars. However, they seem to be falling further behind. Despite bringing many electric car models to the market and seeing some sales increases, German manufacturers are struggling due to software issues that have delayed key models. In China, Tesla and local brand BYD have raced ahead, leaving German carmakers playing second fiddle. Even in their home market, Tesla remains the top EV brand. Investors are closely watching three German companies, Porsche, Mercedes, and Volkswagen, but they're facing challenges such as layoffs and production pauses. Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy has been critiqued by some, but the company is still making profits on EVs, something that the German competition can't claim. Tesla has widened its lead in EV sales, increasing sales by 30 percentage points more than Volkswagen in the last 3 months. German automakers are under pressure to boost volumes and reach economies of scale, essential for EV profitability. The German automakers' main threat is their weakening position in China, where they once dominated combustion car sales. Chinese brands are now ahead in the EV market, producing affordable and high-end EVs tailored to local preferences. German automakers are struggling to keep up, and a survey shows that they expect difficult times ahead. To catch up, German carmakers plan to introduce EV-focused platforms to lower costs and equip their cars with new technology. However, by the time these platforms arrive, competitors like Tesla will likely have their own advanced platforms. Volkswagen aims to release a compact EV priced under $25,000, targeting a broader audience, but it's still years away from production. Other German automakers are also investing heavily in electric cars and batteries. The hope is that new models and partnerships will help them compete effectively with Tesla and other rivals. Overall, while Tesla's lead in the EV market is undeniable, some believe there might be a window of opportunity for incumbents to catch up if they act swiftly and introduce competitive offerings. However, the challenge is considerable, and Tesla's aggressive plans for expansion in Germany and other markets will make it difficult for German car makers to close the gap entirely.